Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Now we're on to bike 12, which is a Yamaha Serow 225 in white, very similar to the white and red one we had, pretty much identical, same kind of mileage as well. So we're coming in at around the same price. Kind of comes down to preference on the looks again. So front and rear disc, 6-speed, kickstart and electric start, so on. Condition of the bike itself here is very good. Here we are. Front tire is in good condition, no need of changing. Front disc is in good condition. Front forks okay. Front gaiters very good. No marks on the front mudguard. Some little signs of pitting on the front forks here, nothing major. Condition wise of the tank is perfect. Some tearing on the front stickers here at the front. Engine area is in very good condition. Side panels and all that, good condition again. Rear of the bike also all very good. Tire on the rear is perfect also, no need of changing. Do have a slight mark here on the rear of the mudguard. Onto the right hand side now, we have the rear of the bike. Muffler is in very good condition, same with the rear mudguard. Alloys good condition, with the tire itself also good condition. Center of the bike then, all very nice here. And into the same on the tank. Some ripping on the front sticker here, but nothing on the plastics. Front forks again, very good condition. Gaiters good conditions, and some kind of slight signs of corrosion on the front here. The front forks. Front tires are good, and the front mudguard is also very good. So we are taking €150 deposits to secure the bike. So if you are interested in this bike, please do get in contact with us, and we'll walk you through the process there. So if you have liked the video, please like it, as well as subscribing if you haven't already. If you do subscribe, we'll see you in the next video.